How to type vertical text in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Word and then after that open a blank document. Go to insert a table, write a text the way you want, whatever you want, and in order to make it vertical, simply select the text and then go to this layout from table tools, and now you will see an option text direction. Click on it and here you will see several directions of the text. There are basically 9 different options you can choose from. Vertical, and that too in different places. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.